All right, guys, so here we have my new to me 1972 Yamaha AT2. This is a bike that really started off electric start for enduro models. We have the electric start wild in here. It's going to be a little bit of a project getting her going, but overall we're in really solid condition. So this is a 1973 tank. Going to be pulling some dents off of that, giving it a fresh paint job. It's the same tank as the 72, just a different paint job. So that's going to be one of our steps here. If we can find one, we'll try and get an original fender, but this one doesn't look too bad for the time being. If you come take a look here at the headlight, we have great condition. This is all original paint on the headlight. It's got that mandarin orange in really excellent shape. Our forks hardly have any pitting, very, very clean for what they are. If you come on back this way, you can see exhaust is in good shape. All the chrome looks very solid on the bike. It's a complete bike. If you come on back here to the luggage rack, this is one of the hardest pieces to find on these older bikes. And this one's in perfect condition. So little shine up with some chrome polish and we'll be set. We have a new brake lens coming in here, new taillight lens and assembly. This is the original fender, as you can see, in very good shape. If you come around this way, we've got original paint on the oil cover, still in excellent condition. We are missing an airbox filter, but that can be remedied fairly easily. It's got this really cool latch system for the seat, which is, as you can see under here, still in very, very excellent condition. There's hardly any rust on this bike at all. It really is a great survivor. And like I said, chrome is in very, very solid condition. One funky feature of this bike, it does have a compressor plug instead of one of its spark plugs. So we're going to be playing around with that. That's this little handle right here. This is the compressor plug lever. I have two new levers coming in for brake and clutch. Dash, if you want to zoom in on that, is in gorgeous condition. And we actually have the original key as well. So pretty special little bike here. You want to go ahead and give them the straight down look from there. This is going to be a fun project. We'll be working on this for the next couple weeks, getting some new parts on it, some paint. And then as soon as we get a battery in here, we'll be able to test to see if it runs, because these bikes with the electric start actually do need a battery to even get spark. So should be a fun project. Hope you guys enjoy the videos that are to come, putting this bike back together. And thanks for checking out the channel. Catch you on the next one.